Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to do some flip cups. I'm going to do a triple and I'm using some earthy tones and some blues and silvers. I've got a little bit of white swipe mix here which I may include in my cups just to see if I can get some cells to pop up, possibly, because I don't use silicone. And then I've also, if I don't like the way it looks, I might go over it with some oxide black and do a swipe over the top. But we'll wait and see whether I bring that into the mix or not. Let's get started. Now I have to decide which order I'm going to do these in. I've got so many colours here. I've got 10 different colours. My main colours, I guess, are probably these ones. So I've got like a pearly white metallic. This is the sienna sort of metallic. This is sort of a light Payne's grey that I've mixed up, and this is a greyish blue. I've also got some waterfall, some silver, some dark silver like charcoal, some deep brown pearl, some gold and some champagne gold. So let's have a think. It's been a while and I can't remember which way to layer my colours. So I'm just going to add some dark blue in there. And I might put gold on this end. Got a feeling though my gold might spread. I know my brown is definitely going to spread, so I want to go easy on that. Let's layer it this way. And I might put champagne there and then some cream. Some gold. So yeah, I just want them all to look a bit different. I haven't added any blue to this one yet, so let's add a little bit with the greyish blue. Some silver in there, maybe some silver in here. I think there was a bit of a lump there. I'm going to go easy on that. I want to put a bit of the extra blue through the middle, I think. And put a bit of the white through the middle. Maybe on this side as well. Yeah. Running out of this colour. I hope I've got enough paint here. I am a bit concerned that I don't. I think that's it for that cup. Definitely need more in this cup. So gold. Let's put some of the dark charcoal, silver here, with the white, a bit of the brown. Alright, I think that's going to do. It's been a while since I've flipped any cups, so this should be interesting. Now, I want to go two one way and one the other, so I already see a cell popping up there. That's from the white. Alright, here we go. Move that over a bit. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. I don't know if that's going to show up. We'll see. But that's because I dragged it, so it's kind of a swipe. I may end up changing my mind to have a swipe with some white instead of black. I'll have to wait and see what we get. I've also grabbed, this is left over from a canvas, I'm going to try catching in the corner to keep, because I don't think I have enough paint. I'm going to keep it in the corners. This is a deep canvas, so I've got to make sure I can get over the edges as well. Alright, shall we flip? Yes, we shall. Here we go. And that was not a very good flip. So I'm just going to tilt that down. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done flips. Better. Not getting the colours out of that one though. I really wanted that colour. That's okay. And then this way. Ooh. Oh, that's the prettiest one. I'm so glad that's in the middle. And it's got the most cells as well. I'm going to torch that. Let's just move this paint around a little bit. I feel like I need to put something there. Let's just scrap this out. Alright, this is a bit tricky. I'm going to go this way. Let's see if we can capture a bit of this in the corner. I feel like I want to keep this fairly simple. Just trying to get the corners pretty. There's really something about this. I'm going to torch it again. I do need to fix up my edges on the other side. So we've got some cells coming up, but not crazy amounts. Alright, I'm not going to swipe this because I think it's really pretty. I like the fact that it's got a lot going on in the middle. These cells coming out nicely. I think they will grow a little bit more. This is so soft and icy. That's like the cool corner and the warm corner. I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the wet result. And I can see that there's a row here of the pale blue that's expanding. So, and there's some cells through here. So that's going to change, I would say. And that's my cat. This is really interesting here. And we've actually got lacing without a swipe through here. That's crazy. Got more cells popping up. So again, I haven't used any silicone in this. I think I should have a go at silicone. I've never really had success with it, but I haven't tried it since I first started. So there's an icy blue up there. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how these cells pop up. I don't know if any are going to pop up through the top there, but we've definitely got some through the bottom and through the middle. And the sides are looking pretty nice as well. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. And the worst thing has happened, guys. It's cracked. I've gone about trying to repair it in a few spots. I've added some darker blue through there. I've added some gold in here. And because the gold shines more when it's been added after, I've tried to blend it a bit in areas and give it sort of a look like this bit here. You can see that shine on the edge. That wasn't cracked at all, but I just thought, oh, I'll give that a little bit of extra shine. So I guess that's one thing I've learnt from doing this. I've added some shine on some bubbles down here as well. But otherwise, it's a very pretty piece. I've got some lacing through here. And the Deco Art Extreme Sheen is shining through there. This was the other way I had it, where it's like a sky and then a mountain, maybe a glacier is cracking here or something. Yeah, very cool. I love the piece, but the cracking has upset me a bit. So trying to recover it, I guess. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.